Hi, today we have Audi A6 with a 2-liter diesel engine. As you can notice, the tensioner for the drive belt has snapped and it was thrown away into the engine bay. Also the spring and also the drive belt. There are still some pieces down below at the plastic cover. So that's why I have to remove and replace the tensioner for the drive belt, and that tensioner can be opened behind the below the alternator from the back side. And to have access to there, I have to remove this hose that is from the intercooler to the inlet manifold. I'm going to open with screwdriver these two metal clamps. After removing the hose, we have access to the bolt. Also, we can see there are still some parts of the drive belt, and the bolt you can see over there under the alternator. It's this one, and it can be opened with a 13mm wrench. I have managed to remove the other part of the tensioner, so now I can install the new one. And also I have new drive belt. I have installed the tensioner, and also I have tightened it with 13mm wrench. So now I can install the drive belt. I have installed the drive belt. Now you can see how it should be installed. The space is very tight for working. So now I have to use a 16mm wrench on the tensioner to push it a little so I can remove the pin and let the tensioner to work. I have removed the pin, so now the drive belt is tightened, and now I can return the hose from the intercooler to the inlet manifold. And now I can start the engine and see how everything is working. Everything looks okay. So now I just have to raise the vehicle, remove the lower plastic cover, remove all the parts from the drive belt, and I'm finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.